याद नहीं निकले निकले पता the necessary that people have found and are seeking the advantage through the implementation of system suppliers. The second section of industrial standards and safety. Then what are the benefits of ISO 14000? Actually 14000 is related to EMS, environment management systems. The first benefit is to develop the corporate image and credibility. You can get the image in the corporate level and also it will give some credibility. To monitor and control the impact of operations on the environment now and in the future. How our operations will be impact on the environment and now as well as in the future. To ensure the legislative awarenesses and compliances. There are some government legislations that awareness will be used and its compliances. To improve environmental performances for of supply chain, means the supply chain means who are the people involved in your whole process, like transportation systems or logistics, suppliers, buyers, all are comes under the supply chain. Next, to protect the company's assets, shareholders and directors, they also focus on the company as well as their assets, shareholders and the directors also. ISO 14000 also reduce the wastage and reuse of all resources and also helps to reduce the cost, energy use and resources that can help to reduce the finally the cost of the product. And it reduces the insurances cover cost also. If you have followed these all the rules under the ISO 14000, that becomes next leads to our cut down the cost. ISO 9000 2000 quality management system. This international standard describe the fundamentals for quality management systems, which form the subject of the ISO 9000 family and defines related terms. What are the terms usually used? And where it is applicable, where this certification will be applicable. Actually, some seekers are seeking the advantage to implementation. Some organization will be needed. Otherwise, they are seeking to get the benefit of the implementation of these quality management systems. And organizations seeking the confidence from their suppliers that that product requirement will be satisfied. And final consumer who are user of the products, there also it will be applicable. And those concerned with mutual understanding of the terminology used in the quality management, like your suppliers, customers, and the people who regulate act as a regulators. And those internal and external to the organization who assess the quality management system or audit it for conformity with the requirement of ISO 9000. Means here is an auditor will be audit the requirements. Regulators or ratifications, registration bodies, those who are involved. Then those internal and external to the organization who give the advice to training on the quality management system appropriate to the organization. And next, the developers of related standards. All these people will be involved in the ISO 9000, 2000 international standards. Then here MCQs. Which one of the following series of international standards made on environment management? ISO 9002, 3, 4 or ISO 14000? Yeah, answer is ISO 14000. It is mainly meant for EMS, Environment Management System. How to maintain the, otherwise control the pollutions, otherwise maintain the good environment. And which of the following statement is not true regarding the ISO 14000? ISO 14000 were used or issued, in September 1986. It is a voluntary environmental system, environment management. Its primary object is to promote the effective environment management. And fourth one is ISO 14000 applies to any organization regardless of size of the industry. Here, first statement is ISO 14000 were issued in September 1986, but it will be in 1996. Which of the following is a correct abbreviation of QMS? QMS means not quality marketing system. It is a quality management system. Second one is the answer. It is not like a quality management standards or quality marketing standards. Next, the fourth one. Which of the following fields the international standard ISO 9000 2000 is applicable? Organization seeking the advantage through the implementation of quality management system. Organizations seeking the confidence from their suppliers that their product requirement will be satisfied. User of the products, those concerned with mutual understandings of the terminology used in quality management, supplier, customers or regulators. And last one is all the above. The correct answer is all the above. It is a end of this is an end of second section.